In 1937, New York City was still grappling with the economic challenges of the Great Depression, with widespread unemployment and financial struggles affecting many residents. Despite economic hardships, New York remained a vibrant cultural hub, with thriving theaters, music venues, and art scenes providing an escape and entertainment for its diverse population. The city saw the implementation of New Deal policies initiated by President Franklin D. Roosevelt, aiming to address unemployment and stimulate the economy through public works projects. Various social programs and relief efforts were initiated to support those in need, offering assistance through welfare programs and public works projects. The economic challenges prompted internal migration, with individuals and families moving within the city in search of better opportunities, leading to shifts in neighborhood dynamics. Despite the economic struggles, the city's cultural resilience played a crucial role, with cultural and artistic expressions continuing to thrive amid challenging circumstances.